and thanks for stopping by the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy, and today I am starting my Christmas takedown. I'm going to be doing some deep cleaning, and I'm going to be decorating for the winter season in my living room. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, then just keep watching. I hope that this will be very motivational. I know it's hard to get started taking down Christmas decorations, but it's got to be done. I'm a little bit early because I put up 4 trees at my home and 1 tree at my parents' home. So I need to get started early. It's going to take a while to get all of that taken down and put away. I'm going to be showing you how I will be storing my Christmas decorations in my home as well. So now I'm going to stop talking and turn some music on for you to enjoy and hopefully get motivated. Every year I tell myself I'm going to get better at organizing my bulbs, but I never do. But this year is no different. I'm going into it optimistic that I'm going to be able to stay a little better organized. So in this bin, I am just going to be placing all of my silver and gold bulbs, and then all of the white bulbs that I pull off of this tree will go in a separate place. And then I'll have a bin for my ribbon and one for my picks and a separate space for my lights. So that's the plan for this year, to have light colored bulbs together so that I can find them easily and they'll be labeled. And in a little bit, I'll show you the closet that I use to store my decorations. It's quite a mess right now. And probably will be until I get all of the trees down and all the decor put away. But for now, I'm at least starting off with a plan. We'll see how it ends up once tree number 4 is down. I have to remind myself to stay hydrated. When I'm cleaning and walking around the house, going back and forth upstairs, it's very easy to become dehydrated or just need to drink additional water. This is sort of like a workout for me. So I'm just preparing some infused water with some lime, some oranges, some lemons. I also have a little bit of rosemary and some mint that I'm going to be putting in here. And my plan is to finish this picture today while I'm doing this work. When I do this and hold myself accountable, I'm more likely to get it in for the day. I'm terrible with drinking water, but I try. don't even know if I properly introduced myself. My name is Sandy. This is a sister cousin lifestyle channel. Over here I do all things home decor. I decorate, I clean, I shop, I do it all. If that's something that you are interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave today and the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload videos. I will be doing a series of cleaning videos where I am taking down my Christmas decorations and getting ready for the winter season. And then after that, I will be going into a home organization series where I will be getting my home organized for the new year. So those things are to come for sure. I also decorate for every season. So I have all types of inspiration for your home decor needs. I hope that's something that you like and that you will consider coming on back by. All right, let me get back to work. In order to save space in the closet where I store my Christmas decor, I'm going to be trying these Christmas tree bags to see if they would take up less space than the boxes. This is the first year trying this one. I can tell you now this bag is huge. This tree is only a 7.5-foot tree, and it's kind of a slim style, so there was plenty room left in the bag. The jury is still out on what I think about it. I will know by the time I start to take down the other trees what I think about them and how I'm able to store them or whatever, but I'm trying it to give it a chance, and it's making quite a mess, of course, because this is a flock tree. It's heavily flocked, so I'm getting stuff all over the place, but at least it'll be contained inside of the bag eventually.
You're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication.
So now we're upstairs and we're going to be going into the storage room. I'm trying to tug on this tree to get it in there. It's pretty heavy. To just go ahead and put it in here. And now this is not going to be the permanent location in this closet. I'm just kind of sticking it in there any kind of way for now, because of course there's more that will go in there later. And then I'm going to go ahead and start working on all my picks, making sure that they get put into the proper bin where I'm going to be storing all the picks. I'm loving this idea so far, to have all of this organization and then get all of the bins labeled nicely. So we'll see. And that's the other good part about starting a little bit earlier and taking your time. I'm not going to be taking down all these trees at the same time. When I do that, I'm more likely to just start throwing things anywhere in the closet. I do want to take my time and put some thought into how I want to store to maximize the space and make sure that I know where everything is for next year. So now that I have that off of my fireplace console, I'm able to get all of this extra flock and dust and everything out of here. It feels so good to be able to clean this space and have it looking nice and neat again. Not that it wasn't neat with the decorations, but you know, over time, under your decor and whatnot, that you're getting all this accumulation of dust and things like that. So it's kind of nice to give it a good clean.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking.
I did so much walking back and forth and going upstairs and putting things away on this day. I had almost 10,000 steps by the end of the day. I was exhausted. It is so much work because I was incorporating the cleaning in the process as well, like with my throws and blankets and things like that. I was getting those all cleaned up and everything so that everything was nice and clean when I got done. Those two presents there are my grandchildren's. I did not give them all of their gifts on Christmas yesterday because, of course, Santa had brought them a bunch of toys, and they got toys and things from other family members. And so it was just a bit much for one day. So I will save these for them until I think it's appropriate for them to have them. But they got a lot that just ends up happening. But anyway, I'm going ahead now with this vacuum and cleaning out my sofa. Things just kind of fall down in there, debris and whatnot. Toys from my grandkids, whatever. I find so many interesting things down in my sofa. But that's what I'm doing right now. And while I'm doing this, I'm noticing some spots that are on my sofa that I will need to address as well. Now, I swear by a mixture of white vinegar and water for almost anything. I use it for spills or stains on my sofa, on my rugs, whatever. And typically I have extremely good success out of it. Like this little spot here, which I have no idea if it's spaghetti sauce or if it's paint or something for my grandchildren. No clue, but the vinegar and water mixture did get that off very nicely. So I was pleased with how that turned out, and it doesn't do anything to the fabric. The smell dissipates right away, so you don't have to worry about that, but it really gets it nice and clean. If you put a little bit of elbow grease behind it, you will be good to go. much for stopping in today and hanging with me as I got this living room together and got all of my Christmas decor in this space put together. I hope that it was inspiring to you, that you will go ahead and get yours started at the time that's appropriate for you. Thanks again for stopping by, and I hope to see you all over here on my next video. Bye-bye.